Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! And for today's video is I'm going to use the most rave, I think super hype ngayon, as in grabe, para siyang kiss proof na biglang nag-boom, ganun. Pack na pack ang pagka-boom niya, ang daming naghahanap ng ganito. And I know marami sa inyong may gusto na makakita ng review from a Pinay YouTuber. So ayan, gagawin ko na guys. I'll do it. So ayan na guys, alam ko gusto nyo nang i-review ko to dahil nakita nyo na sa akin. So let's get started. So ayan, walang makeup guys. And sorry, pag nakita nyo hindi clear ang face ko ngayon. Ganyan talaga ako pag yung nagpapalit ng panahon. Lalo na pag uminit, nag-ano na yan. Open ang pores. Nagbe-breakout din ako. Ito kasi kakatanggal lang ng mga blackheads ko. Kaya kita pa yung mga marks. So, ayun, super explain. Kasi baka sabihin nyo, what happened to my face ngayon? And yan, I'm super excited na ipakita sa inyo. Well, actually, nakita nyo na siguro to sa Facebook ko, sa Instagram, sa Facebook page, yon. Nakita nyo na siguro doon. And now, gusto ko makita nyo ang aking demo for this product. Kita nyo, yan. And this is the oval brush set. Para siyang dupe for artist brush. And it is a 10 brush set. And I'm going to open it up. Can you see? You have here this one, yung pinakamalaki. Ang soft niya. Super soft, grabe. Synthetic brush. Ang soft niya, oh. And then dense. Dense din siya. And then, you have here yung handle niya, which is flexible. Yun ang napansin ko. Plastic. So, hindi siya sturdy enough. Sabihin na natin large to. Isa extra large. This one is large. Mga rounded. Soft talaga. And, hindi siya ganun ka-flexible, unlike dun sa extra large. Siguro, kasi mas huge yung hawak niya eh. So, ito hindi. And here you have these, sabihin natin medium, extra large or medium. Ayan, hindi ganun ka-flexible. Paddle brush, oval. Oval kasi yung shape. It's very, extra small. Actually, hindi ko alam para saan gamitin yung iba. And then, you have here, anong tawag sa ganito? You have here this brush. Straight. So, baka pang, ano ba to? Line ng eyes, pang eyeshadow or what. Ayan. So, ayan. So, papakita ko sa inyo ang isang look gamit itong brush. So, I'm going to start with my moisturizer. And then, I'm going to use this large brush. I'm going to use Superbutate Tint Fluid Foundation in Fair and in Medium. Ito medium to pero old packaging. Kasi umitim ako from our pagudpud trip. Apply. And yan, gamit ko na siya. So, wala talaga ako overview dito sa product, guys. In fairness sa kanya, ang ganda ng blending. And also, ayun, wala yung parang mga streaks, hindi streaky sa face. So, let's move on sa concealer. Ang pansin ko lang sa kanya, may mga yung excess hair. So, kinakat ko na lang. I'm going to use this Misha Under Eye Brightener. See? Gawin tayo ng baso. Parang cocktail. Ayan. Diba? Lagyan natin ng straw. So, parang na rin siya, instant highlight. So, next for my powder, I'm going to use this FS Two-Way Cake in the shade Silk. And I'm going to use this extra large oval brush. Madami siyang nakukuhang product. So, itatap lang natin. And then I'm going to do my brows off cam. Next, I'm going to use this, I don't know how to call this brush, but yes, I'm going to use this to define my brows, and I'm going to use this concealer. And again, I'm going to use this small para na rounded ano niya, dome siya. And then next, I'm going to use this eyeshadow base NYX. And next, I'm going to use this pink Ever Belena eyeshadow palette. To use this color right here. I'm going to use this blending brush. And then use the white shimmer eyeshadow here. And then I'm going to finish the rest of my eye makeup, eyeliner, mascara, and I think falsies. Next, I'm going to contour my face. This is this contouring kit from Super Beauté. And then I'm going to blend that out using this small oval brush. Next, I'm going to use this LA Girl blush silk. I'm going to use this ano ba to? Medium. Then next, I'm going to use this brush for highlighting. I'm going to use Mary Luminizer. Cupid's Bow. For my lips, ang gagamitin ko is yung ColourPop Ultra Matte Liquid in Solo. So, here's the finished look gamit yung oval brush set. Hindi naman siya ganun kahirap gamitin, but then, hindi din siya for beginners. Maganda siya for personal use, especially pang ano siya, more of face products lang. Maganda ang blending kapag liquid or cream ang ginamit mo. Kasi sa foundation, ang ganda, walang streakiness. And yung sa powder, masyadong madami yung nakukuha niyang product. Kasi ang dense niya, but then, soft din siya. Soft talaga siya. Bonggang soft. So, I give the packaging 3. Very simple. Magandang dupe for the artist brush. Medyo flexible. Hindi ganun ka-sturdy. So, price, affordable siya if you'll compare it to the artist brush set. So, that's it. I think yun lang naman. No, wala masyado explanation needed. Ang importante naman is kung paano mo siya gagamitin sa face mo. So, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Thumbs up if you like this video. And don't forget to share this on your social networking sites. See you on my next vid. Bye!